In this video, we're going to show you how to backup and verify your seed. The seed will only show once while you're creating the wallet. Write down your seed on the recovery card and make sure to keep it in a safe place. If you lose your wallet, this is the only way you can recover your assets. First, back up your address. Simply go to the receive page and take a screenshot. The next step is to reset your card. On the settings page, choose Reset Card and confirm by pressing the button on your card. This will wipe your card completely. Next, you'll need to recover your wallet, and input the seed you wrote down previously to recover your wallet. If your seed is invalid, you will create a new wallet. If you successfully verify the seed, your wallet will be recovered. And finally, verify the address. Once you verify the address is the same, you have successfully backed up and verified your seed. For more information and details, please visit CoolWallet.io.